The CUPRA Raval is one of the most important vehicles in CUPRA's history. While many electric vehicles focus mainly on efficiency and practicality, the Raval aims to prove that an affordable urban electric car can also be exciting, stylish, and fun to drive. As CUPRA continues its rapid growth across Europe, the Raval represents the brand's next major step and could become one of the most influential electric city cars on the market. Built and produced in Martorell, Spain, the Raval is part of the Volkswagen Group's ambitious electric urban car family project. This initiative was created to make electric mobility more accessible to a larger number of drivers while maintaining strong European production and development. The project also highlights CUPRA's growing role within the Volkswagen Group, with the Spanish brand taking the lead on one of the group's most significant electric vehicle programs. The Raval may be compact on the outside, measuring around 4 meters in length, but its design gives it a much larger presence. Inspired by the earlier Urban Rebel concept, the production model retains much of the aggressive styling that made the concept vehicle so popular. Sharp lines, muscular proportions, distinctive lighting signatures, and a sporty stance help the Raval stand out from traditional city cars. Inside, CUPRA has focused on creating a driver-oriented environment that feels modern and premium. The cabin features advanced digital displays, sustainable materials, and innovative design elements. Among the highlights are the three-dimensional knitted CUP bucket seats, which help reduce weight while providing excellent support. Dynamic light projections integrated into the interior further enhance the futuristic atmosphere. The Raval is built on Volkswagen Group's advanced MEB Plus electric vehicle platform. This architecture was specifically designed for battery electric vehicles and allows engineers to maximize interior space while maintaining compact exterior dimensions. The result is a practical urban vehicle that can comfortably handle everyday driving while offering technology typically found in larger and more expensive models. Performance remains a key part of the CUPRA identity, and the Raval reflects that philosophy. Higher output versions are expected to produce up to 226 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration for a vehicle in this segment. With an estimated 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of approximately 6.8 seconds, the Raval offers a level of performance rarely seen among compact electric city cars. Range is another important factor for buyers considering the transition to electric mobility. CUPRA estimates a driving range of around 450 kilometers, making the vehicle suitable not only for daily commuting, but also for longer trips between cities. Fast charging capability will further improve convenience, allowing drivers to spend less time charging and more time on the road. The launch of the Raval arrives during a period of remarkable momentum for CUPRA. Since becoming a standalone brand, CUPRA has surpassed 1 million vehicle sales and continues to expand its presence throughout Europe and international markets. The company recently achieved its strongest first quarter ever, with record sales helping move the brand closer to its goal of capturing 3% of the European market. Beyond the vehicle itself, the Raval carries broader significance for Spain's automotive industry. It represents a major investment in local manufacturing, engineering, and innovation. Together with the Volkswagen Group and its partners, CUPRA is helping transform Spain into one of Europe's key centers for electric vehicle production. What makes the Raval especially interesting is its ability to combine several important qualities into one package. It delivers attractive styling, engaging performance, advanced technology, practical everyday usability, and electric efficiency without moving into premium luxury pricing territory. That balance could make it one of the most appealing electric vehicles for younger buyers and urban drivers looking to make the switch to electric transportation. As the European electric vehicle market becomes increasingly competitive, the CUPRA Raval enters the scene with a clear mission. It is designed to bring excitement back to the entry-level electric segment while helping make electric mobility accessible to more people. If CUPRA succeeds, the Raval could become much more than another electric hatchback. It could become the model that defines the next chapter of affordable electric mobility in Europe.